So it's been a long week. Our AC went out in the house, so basically it took a couple days to get it up and running. Finally got everything done. It's actually running pretty good, so we'll see. So that's kind of like been eating up my time, just dealing with stuff like that. The Integra's finally off the cinder block. I never showed it, but it was sitting on the cinder block because the whole front end was torn apart for a couple days. So when I did the camber kit, I actually did one side, so I did the other side. But when I did that, the whole freaking hub assembly just fell off the car. So it needed a brand new wheel bearing, so I had a brand new wheel bearing pushed in, and then ended up having to wait for a hub because the hub was bad. So finally got that put back together. The car drives, so we have new ball joints in the front, we have the camber kit, we have tie rod ends. One of the tie rod ends on this side's not done yet because I have this side needs to be taken back apart. I need to push out the wheel bearing, and I got a brand new freaking hub for this side too, so front end will be completely brand new. And then other than that, I just gotta start working on other stuff. I got some more parts for the motor in, and I've been working on that slowly a little bit, but not a whole lot. It's just been too hot. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.